In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower your Google Ads CPC or cost per click. This is a crucial aspect of managing your digital marketing budget effectively, ensuring you get the most out of your advertising spend. So let's dive in and explore the steps to achieve this. First, you'll want to navigate over to Google Ads. This is the primary platform where you can create and manage online advertisements aimed at reaching potential customers more efficiently. Once you're there, simply click on the Sign In button. This will allow you to access all the features available on your Google Ads account. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your ad campaigns. Now that you're on the homepage, click on the Campaign option. This section is vital as it houses your marketing campaigns, each tailored to target specific audiences and achieve particular business objectives. Within your campaign settings, one key area to focus on is your audiences, keywords, and content. By clicking here, you gain access to several options that allow you to fine-tune your ad delivery mechanisms. The next step involves clicking on Keywords. Keywords are the terms and phrases that trigger the display of your ads to searchers. They play a pivotal role in determining how well your ads perform and directly affect your CPC. Once in the keywords section, you'll want to click on negative keywords. This is a critical strategy when it comes to lowering your CPC. Negative keywords are terms that you don't want your ads to appear for. By specifying these, you ensure that your ads aren't shown to irrelevant audiences, which can increase your costs and decrease effectiveness. Following this, click on the option to add negative keywords. This lets you incorporate keywords that you're certain won't convert well for your business or target the wrong audience. For instance, if you're selling high-end watches, you might use negative keywords like cheap or bargain, as they likely don't align with your ideal customer. Lastly, make it a habit to add negative keywords regularly. The digital space is dynamic and consumer behavior changes frequently. By updating your negative keywords list frequently, you can continuously refine your ad strategy to ensure you're reaching the right people and paying only for the clicks that matter. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to optimizing your Google Ads campaigns and lowering your CPC effectively. Remember that managing a successful ad campaign involves continuous monitoring and tweaking to ensure you're always aligning with your business goals and maximizing your advertising budget. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.